On data of SUPAS, in 2015, the maternal mortality rate is 305 per 100,000 live births. The infant mortality rate is 23 per 1,000 live births. Data is still far from the target of Sustainable Development Goals, which in 2030, targeted maternal mortality rate is 70 per 100,000 live births, and the neonatal mortality rate target of 12 per 1,000 live births. And I am Mardatila, outstanding student of Polytechnic Ministry of Health of Palangkaraya for pemilihan mahasiswa berprestasi tingkat Poltekkes Kemenkes tahun 2016. I have an idea of the innovation of community-based pregnancy cluster as a solution to reduce morbidity and mortality of maternal and infant, or inovasi rukun kehamilan berbasis masyarakat sebagai solusi menurunkan angka kesakitan dan kematian ibu dan bayi. Any factor cause high morbidity and mortality of mothers and babies. There are 3 of being late and part of being over. Part of being over, those are giving birth too young, too old giving birth, and birth spacing is too closer, and too many labor. 3 of being late, those are being late making a decision, being late of dropping to the place of giving birth, and being late to handle of labor. There are many government programs to reduce morbidity and mortality of maternal and infant in Indonesia. However, government programs are not enough. The awareness and the active participation of the community track the cluster of pregnancy to assist midwives in running government programs are also needed, such as program planning and the prevention of complication of childbirth. The cluster of pregnancy is a place of activity on the community-based health sector in the effort to reduce morbidity and mortality of maternal and infant in the neighborhood. This cluster of pregnancy adopted from the cluster of death which is developing in the Indonesian society. The goals of the cluster of pregnancy are couples of childbearing age, pregnant women, maternity, puerperal women, nursing mothers, and infants as well as citizens who care about health. Benefits of the cluster of pregnancy is to raise awareness and community efforts to increase knowledge and cooperation among members of the community in an effort to improve the health of mothers and babies. In the activity of cluster of pregnancy is divided into 2 parts, namely the education of children by providing health values from an early age and maternal health service. Step in the implementation of activities of the cluster of pregnancy is divided into several stages, namely planning, implementation, evaluation, and monitoring. Nowadays, fewer and able urban residents face-to-face directly in cluster of pregnancy. This can be carved out by using electronic device through media social like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pet, and etc. As a pilot project, the author has conducted a meeting with head of the cluster of neighbors or ketua rukun tetangga and Jekan Raya Sub-District Village of Palangkaraya City. There has been upside, a positive response. Having received a good reception, it is hoped that this cluster of pregnancy can be implemented in this area. And the existence of the cluster of pregnancy can increase the awareness and the active role of community health workers to help implementing government programs to reduce morbidity and mortality of maternal and infant in Indonesia.